So I just saw the FedEx guy pull up to our house, and I knew exactly what he was bringing me. Curriculum! Oh, it is raining. I need to get that in as soon as possible before this thing gets super soggy on me. So I am going to go ahead and bring this baby in. Well, hello, I'm Yael and I'm a homeschooling mama of 3 mini humans. And if you love videos on all things homeschool curriculum, activities, and more, you have come to the right place. So be sure to subscribe and enable those notifications so you don't miss what I have next just for you. Welcome, it is April. I'm so excited. Spring has sprung. It's my birthday. And I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing video of the language arts kindergarten curriculum that I just bought for my rising kindergartner. Now, I have attempted to record this video like not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times. So hopefully all of the quality, all of the things are good. I am trying out some new equipment. So if you have seen my more recent videos and you're like, what's going on with all this stuff? I am learning. This whole video recording thing is a fun thing that I really love to do. And I'm testing out some new things. What I want to focus on in this video is how the package came, the unboxing experience, the quality of the product, and a little bit about how I arrived at choosing this curriculum for my kindergartner and how I'm hoping it's going to serve us in our homeschool. My rising kindergartner is now in the middle of completing her preschool / pre-K year of learning. And the reason why we decided to go with the language arts kindergarten curriculum for the good and the beautiful was because of how she did on an assessment that they provide. And this assessment is not to see how smart your child is when it comes to phonics or reading or language arts. It's simply a way for you to gauge whether or not your child is going to be ready for the kindergarten level curriculum. So as I'm editing this video, I realized that I forgot to mention another reason why we chose to go with this curriculum. I had already become acquainted with it because they do have a free PDF version of grades 1 through 5 available on their website. So if you're curious and you want to take a peek to get acquainted with how they pace things, their activities, that is available to you online. Now, obviously the curriculum for kindergarten is going to be a little bit different, but they do also provide some samples of that, so you can definitely go and check that out. Now, knowing my oldest, it wasn't going to be a good fit for her, but for my middle daughter, she really loves that good one-on-one lesson time with mama, so I knew this was going to be a good fit for us and for her and her learning needs. We are going to be finishing up the preschool / pre-K curriculum that we have through JDA's resources through like the end of May, beginning of June. And then we're going to take a break and then start this curriculum. But I can tell you already from showing it to my daughter, she's pretty excited about learning with this new curriculum.
It's really good.
So this curriculum took a long time to get to us, truth be told. When we had ordered it back in like the end of February or beginning of March, it was during a special sale. It was an early bird sale. It took a while because I think a lot of people were also ordering curriculum around this time. But once it finally came in, we were so excited. It was a soggy day, so I was a little bit worried about how the materials were gonna fare in a very wet and soggy box. But thankfully, everything was so well wrapped. There were not 1, but 2 layers of bubble wrap around everything. And then there was plastic on each of the materials. So the first thing that you see when you open up your package is this level K reader. And it's really nicely binded on the side. It's small and it's got this nice cover and back cover that is like this high gloss cardstock, and I thought the paper quality was really good also when you're opening it up and you're looking through. The only thing I'm concerned about is if my child is handling this, I feel like she might be tempted to rip out the pages because of the way it's binded. So that's a thing. I don't know. I'm going to have to see how she fares with that in the future. As readers go, this is pretty standard from, other readers that I've seen. The thing about The Good and the Beautiful, though, is the type of illustrations that you're going to see in a reader like this. It's going to be very Americana, mid-century type of illustrations. There is some multicultural representation in the characters, but there's not a lot. So that's something that I kind of knew going into it. There is a little bit more diversity when it comes to the mini books, and that's another thing that I will share with you just in a moment. The next thing that I opened up was this Level K course book for language arts. And again, it has this nice binding on the side, same quality of material in terms of the cover and the back cover of the Level K reader. And on the inside are the lessons. So there's 120 lessons total. And from what I can see, the child is going to be writing directly in the book. So the next thing that you'll see and open up are these curriculum mini books. The one thing that I did not appreciate with this curriculum is that these mini books are not already made for you. You actually have to cut them up and put them together yourself. For me, buying a curriculum like this, I kind of expected that everything would be put together for me. So it was a little disappointing to see that this was not already put together, but it is good quality paper. It is printed really nicely. The illustrations are beautiful, and I really do like the quality of these mini books. I was not feeling the fact that I have to put them together. And then we have the phonics cards. That is the last item that came with this curriculum package. And these are actually cards that you can find online for free on the Good and Beautiful website. And what you'll notice is the paper is yellow. It's probably the same material that they use to make the covers of each of the course book and the reader. So again, here, as you can tell, it is really good quality, but you do have to tear them apart and cut them and make them into cards. They are perforated, so they kind of make it a little bit easier for you to do. But again, it's kind of a bummer. I wished that this would just come ready. I don't know. For me, it just makes sense that this would come like flashcards already. I don't know why they printed it this way. I don't know if they're saving money this way, but this is what this looks like. These are what the phonics cards look like. And then they do have a front and the back there. They're pretty good quality as flashcards go, but again, I just wish that they were already cut up and prepared. Thank you for joining me today for this fun little unboxing video. I can't wait to share with you some of the other curriculum choices that we've made for our rising kindergartner, and also share with you our journey with Montessori learning at the elementary level. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a great big thumbs up, a like. That really helps to support this channel greatly. And if you're interested, I have a few more videos over here that you might like, so please be sure to check those out. Take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.